Welcome to Algebra Prep Academy. Today's lesson is simplifying radicals. A radical is an expression that uses a root such as a square root, cube root.
For our first example, we have the square root of 108. We're going to simplify this by multiplying two numbers that have the product of 108, 2 and 54. 54 can be simplified even further by multiplying it by 2 and 27. 27 can be simplified by multiplying 9 and 3. 9 can be simplified by multiplying 3 and 3. Since we're done simplifying, we're going to gather up all the pairs. We have 2 and 3. And we're going to multiply these numbers together. Then we create the radical, and we put whatever number is left inside the radical, which is 3. And we get an answer of 6 root 3.
Example 2 is 3 root of 18. To solve this problem, you have to root 18. So 2 times 9 equals 18. So now you root 9, so it's 3 times 3. So you put 3 times 3 root of 2. So your answer is 9 root of 2.
For our next example, we have the square root of 16x squared y cubed. To simplify this, we're going to take the square root of 16, which equals the square root of 4 times 4, which equals 4. Then we take the square root of x squared, which equals x. And then we take the square root of y cubed, which is y times y times y. We then get the pairs, and we put them outside the radical, which is y root y. And we multiply all the pairs together, and we get 4 times x times y times root y, which equals 4xy root y. Here we have negative 7 root 16x cubed. To simplify, we get the square root of 16, which equals the square root of 4 times 4, which equals 4. Then we get the square root of x cubed, which equals the square root of x times x times x. We have a pair of x's which goes outside the radical, and the x goes inside the radical. We then multiply all these products together, which leads us to having an answer of negative 7 times 4 times x root x, which gives us an answer of negative 28x root x.